Getting ready to play spades. Bria doesn't know it that much, so let's see how this goes.
I'm about to be shunned off the family.
Okay, guys, an update. We are currently winning against Tyler and Alex, me and Bria. Aaliyah doesn't know how to play, so
We're about to win Destin and them in spades.
No,
so pay
no,
attention, make sure
no.
y'all are watching. If
Okay.
you want a real prize game, come.
not true. What's the score? Just check the score.
Add me on Snapchat at Adriana Octavia. Add me on Instagram at Alexandra B95.
And guys, the music that you're gonna hear at the beginning of this vlog is actually from me.
And I'm the singer on the track.
No, she's not.
Put it in the background. You know,
Yeah, so if y'all want to check out his music, click the link under here and it'll send you to Spotify and all,
man, all platforms.
Media.
You're gonna see the all platforms. Big Easy with 2 I's at the end. Don't put no U. F-I-J-I-I. You know what I'm saying? Big Easy.
Cue the music. 5 or 6.
We got 6.
6. Okay, y'all going 6 right now. It's down. Okay. Bria, how many do you have?
Maybe 3, 2. I don't know.
2?
2.
Okay, y'all. I look at my hand.
About to smell this.
What y'all think I should go? Bria has 2. What y'all think I should go?
Why are you laughing?
We definitely go on a board. Definitely.
Award? What you mean?
Board 4.
4. Me, y'all ain't got nothing. Y'all just gotta get 4 books. We might go up.
So you,
My partner, we'll pay attention. It's on Destiny.
it's it's on me.
I win.
Oh, okay.
I don't win to just put some, bro.
Really? Just put some. I'm gonna give her this 3.
Which one you want mommy to play? Look here. Splash Cafe and still on that.
Yeah, I did.
What? And then bring her. You can sign the 4. This part was Smiley got his rice dirty. I have a lobster roll, chicken taco with fries. We have a chicken sandwich. Taking off the onions and tomatoes. And they don't have food. Let's see, I'm gonna try the lobster roll. That lobster roll is so good. The lobster is cold, but it's so good. Okay, now I'm gonna try the taco. Here's the hot sauce that they have. They say it's really good, so I'm gonna put a lot on there. Hopefully it is. Oh, so much. It's pretty good. I'll be back once my mom and Charles have their food. What you get, Charles?
Fish taco,
Fish taco,
bread bowl.
clam chowder.
Yeah.
You gotta come back to him like you did.
All right. And you got mom
Fish and shrimp. And I have
the lobster.
roll. And where's my bread pudding?
Right here.
Bread pudding. Oh, that's bread pudding.
Why you have no pudding like you finna eat?
Oh, you got bread pudding? I got some. What you think, Mom? It's good? Obviously it's good.
Yes, a reasonably priced.
Oh yeah, it was only $12. Charles has this is clam chowder. The clam good, y'all?
Yeah.
Oh, I want some.
There you go.
I want to see y'all.
Try it. That's all it is.
Try. You don't eat it with. I want a piece of bread.
Go ahead. Huh. Get it on me.
Ain't it meat in there?
Yeah. That's good.
That's good. That's good.
There's a dog beach not too far from here when we were looking at beaches.
Yeah.
How long y'all been here?
A minute. We in 8. Say hello to the vlog.
The road that's Splash Cafe.
I told you should have went to Splash.
It was good. It was good.
Extremely long.
It was good.
We couldn't even wait. The cafe I was trying to go to. Oh yeah, that line was long. This line was too long.
I got the chicken taco.
It's getting.
Look at Bria how she walk. Every sensible person walk like this. Look at her. Look
What are you talking about?
Look at her walking. Don't try to strain up there.
I'm walking the same way you walking.
Oh, look at that water. He lost his shoe. It's cold.
Hell.
Guys, they even have a slide. How cool. I want to get on it, even though it's kids. I want to get on it. That water, cold water. Ooh. Ooh. No. No. Ooh. California knows how to party. Say hey, say hey. Hey, Didi.
It's not a Bourbon.
Tell them why you would know.
It's not a Bourbon Street piece. Whatever, bro. But yeah, it's a little bit
Where it say don't push?
right there. The huge button. It's waiting to be pushed.
Oh my god.
If it don't change in 2 minutes, I'm pushing. I feel like this sign is that one don't say don't push. Somebody push this shit.
Somebody put it there.
What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen about that?
Everything destruct. Hollywood damaged. Well,
Well,
we have a criminal here.
just gonna hell in about 2 minutes. See? See? I told you that. I gotta get to the airport.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Oh, I need a coffee cup. time, so we're getting something to eat at Burger King.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Aviation Boulevard.
Hello.